Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. This is just a little amendment video to Grade 3 Part 2, and that's the general exercises. It's the second general exercise. It can be found on page 38 in your Grade 3 Music Theory and Practice workbook. And if you just scan down the page when I work through this, on question F, Part 1, I actually explain the answer, but I don't write it fully, just getting carried away as I'm chatting. So it says name the two intervals marked 1 and 2. Number 1 here is our perfect fifth, 1, 3, 5, which I do explain in the video. However, I don't write it, so I just need to make sure that that's written in your copy also. So it's all as explained. I just forget to actually write down the critical number there, so I do apologise for that. Thanks for watching. There are lots of resources available to help you on my website. If you go to sharonbill.com, you'll find some free PDF information sheets you can download in US letter or A4 to accompany each step of this series. And there's also a page with links to all of my video tutorials where I work with you step by step through the ABRSM theory grades. You can also find information about the books that I have available. So if you visit sharonbill.com, it's all there for you. If you can give me a like, that'd be great, and subscribe to my channel to keep updated. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.